Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Packing for Miami. I'm starting off my day with an RX bar. You guys know I always eat these on the way to Seoul. And I am stuck in standstill traffic on the highway right now, going to Beacon Hill Soul Cycle. What is new? And I actually wasn't gonna go this morning because I've gone for the past 2 days straight and it's just like a lot on my knee. But then Maggie was like, sis, bike 1 and 2 just opened up, like grab one of them, like let's go together. And I was like, okay, because I haven't seen Maggie in so long, so I'm so excited to see her. And I was like, I can handle Seoul, like I'll be fine. So yeah, what's going on? I woke up to a little notification from Delta that was like, your boarding passes are now available, and I was like, wow, I was so excited. So I can't wait because I've literally never like traveled with Max or like gone on vacation, so it's gonna be amazing. I love seeing people's reactions when they walk by me filming myself. I'm dead, you guys. But now I'm gonna go get Juliet and Audrey, and we are gonna go to brunch. I'm happy I parked at Whole Foods so I can have this walk to like cool down for a sec. That felt so good. And actually I thought I was gonna be like dead from my classes the last 2 days, but I feel like I'm getting back into the groove, so it wasn't as bad as I thought. Like I could keep up. It was just tough. Oh, and they were out of 3, so me and Maggie were like, let's do it, and we did 5s, and it was brutal. Yeah. Guys, these are like the best thing ever. I hope you know. Can I tell them how stupid I am really quick? Guess who drove my car a half an hour away to go skate? And guess who has keys? So now Max is stranded. And I'm gonna have to Uber there because I have the keys, so we won't be able to start the car. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm such a dingus. I literally gave him the keys. I know. And then I like grabbed them by like habit, because you like grab your keys when you get out of your car. Because if the car is on, like he didn't turn off the car. Yeah. Like if the car was still on, he could have just had it put on the brake or put it in park, but then it was already on, so it kept going. I wish it would tell, it would like beep if you like took the keys out or something. If he tried to start it, now it wouldn't be able to start. We've done this so many times, but now when he's been a half an hour away, oh well, we're learning the hard way. I'm such a dingus that I did this. I'm in this 40-minute Uber to go meet Max to drive all the way back just because I have the keys and he can't drive back without them. So I'm missing my nail appointment. I'm so sad about it, but luckily they can squeeze me in at like 6 p.m. tonight. Because I like desperately need these done before I go to Miami. If you can see how grown out they are. But then when I get back, I'll have time to like shower, self-tan. I like need to self-tan. I look so pale and I don't want to look like scarily pale when I show up. And if you guys saw in my vlog I posted maybe a week or 2 ago, a college week in my life, I tried out this new self-tanner called Tanceuticals, and I'm going to be using that one again because I love how just like not orange it is. It's just like cool toned more, or no, not even that, because I feel like the Saint Tropez one when I was trying it was like blue, but this one's more like purpley bronze, like dark. Like it just looks so good, and it smells like coconuts. It smells so good. It smells like the best out of like all my self tanners, and so I'm definitely gonna try that one out again. I'll tell you guys more about it. But I saw some of your comments and like DMs being like, wait, what was that self tanner you used that you like the new one that gets like really dark and smells like coconuts, yada yada, Tanceuticals. So that is what I'm going to show you when I go home, and you can see like the before and after of how pale I am now, and after how nice and bronzy you look. Ah, I made it. I'm back in Coco. Max must still be skating, but I'm just gonna chill and like watch some YouTube videos or something. This is like so dumb of me. Of course, like my busiest day, I have to also return like books that I rented for this semester, like textbooks and stuff today. And I have to get my graduation stole, is that what it's called? For Alfie, like around my graduation gown, you know. There's just like a million things you have to do. All right, you guys, I'm in a different spot because like I said, I'm gonna show you self-tanning, and I finally just got smart. I've always done it like in my bathroom, but out here it's way better lighting. This is like way more how I look than in my bathroom. It's like really orange looking. So I wanted to do it out here, and luckily no one's home, so I can be like in the living room in a bathing suit. But I just showered and exfoliated because you always want to exfoliate. I've just always heard that before you self-tan. And like I said, I'm going to be using the TanCeuticals Self-Tanning Body Mousse in Dark. And I wanted to give you a true before. This is what I look like before. I'm a little bit tanner than I feel like I normally would be, just because I probably used this like 5 days ago, and I know that it lasts like 5 to 7 days, which is like on the longer end of self-tanners. I usually thought they were like 3 to 5, but yeah, so this is before. I noticed that I get pale here and like my face quicker than anywhere else. I feel like because you wash your face more, and like my hands especially because you wash your hands, stuff like that. And I feel like it lasts the longest on my legs, arms type of deal. So yes. Also, I wanted to tell you guys, I believe that it's on the affordable end of self-tanners as well. I know some can get so expensive, and I remember on their website that this one is normally $35, but I actually think when I got it, it was like a 20% promotion discount, and when I just looked, I think they're still having that, and so it really was like $27. I believe they have it on like Amazon and stuff too, a couple different places. And yeah, we're just gonna do this today. Like I said, when I tried it out before, I was skeptical because I feel like I always get nervous with new self-tanners, and this has to be probably my favorite right now, just because it is so not orange or like bluish green. I swear Saint Tropez is like bluish green. Like, I don't know if I'm doing it wrong, but this is more like bronzy, if anything, more like purple toned, you'll see, but it ends up looking like so dark and beautiful, and I feel like it gets you really dark. Also, out of all my self-tanners I ever tried, I can tell you that this is like the smoothest to apply. Let's just get this going. Actually, first, let me put it in my hair. This is definitely the smoothest to apply, just because I don't notice any streaks when I'm putting it on. It's just, yeah, really smooth. It dries so quick, you guys. Probably within like a minute or so, I would say. And then I just like put clothes on top, let it develop for, I think 6 to 8 hours. It says on here that's like normal, because this is like a normal one, not like express or anything. Oh, 7 to 8 hours before sweating or showering. Overnight is best. Yeah, so right now it's like noon, so I'll just do it before I go to bed tonight. I'll wash it off, but normally I do it overnight, you know what I'm saying? But this way I can show you a full before and after, like before, after I tan, and then after I wash it off. Sorry, I feel like I haven't been taking a breath. So let's get this going. I want you to see like what color it is when it comes out. See how it's just like really, this is so funny. It's like really smooth looking and just like brown, like not green or blue, because I literally have PTSD from freaking Saint Tropez. Also, if you can see how smooth it goes on. It smells freaking amazing. It smells like coconuts, you guys. It doesn't have that like really strong, whatchamacallit, self-tanner smell. And the coconut smell just smells amazing, and I love it. Literally, Max was like, whoa, you smell like coconuts. And I was like, yeah, that's my self-tanner. So, love it. And see, there's like literally no streaks or marks. It just blends so easily, and you can already see just like how dark and bronzy it is. Oh, I'm obsessed with this stuff right now, and I'm gonna have it linked down below for you guys. You should definitely check the description, because I recommend, and like I said, people were asking me like which one I was talking about and using. I'm just doing like all over right now. I'll probably stop filming in a sec just so I can like focus on this and do a good job, and I'll show you after. But obviously you just rub it around in circular motions. You get the gist if you've used like self-tanner before. I'm doing this so random. I'm gonna have to go in and fill all the spots I'm missing, but you get the idea. Capiche? Okay, I'm gonna finish this. We're gonna come back and show you how I look. Also, I know some people don't self-tan their face, some people do. I used to not, now I kind of do. I feel like I'm gonna. If my skin is like clear enough, I'm like, why not? And right now my skin is very clear. Sometimes my skin, when it's like breaking out. I don't want to put self-tan on it because I don't want to like mess with it, you know, but yeah, I'm gonna finish this. See, already this is like dry, you guys. It doesn't feel sticky or anything. I used to be so scared of self-tanner when I never like used it, but yeah, I'm gonna finish this and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, all tanned, as you can tell. This is the final look right after I'm finished, because it'll probably get a little darker over the next couple hours. It'll develop. I noticed immediately the biggest difference like in my face, because I feel like, you know what your face looks like, and then now it's way tanner. So I love that. And yeah, so I'm just gonna throw on some clothes because like I said, it's like dried. I have to go switch my laundry, pick up Max, and then we're gonna do some shopping last minute since we leave for Miami in the morning. And then I'm getting my nails done tonight because they're all grown out like I showed you. Oh yeah, and see how like tan my hands look and like how much better your nails look, and oh, I just feel so much better with a nice tan. I know everyone's different and like everyone's like, why is everyone being like obsessed with being tan? But I just love like the way I feel. I just feel like I look so much more alive. I don't know. So anyway, and obviously this is way better than like going to get crispy in the sun, and doesn't have like all the horrible skin damage that you get from like the sun tanning your skin. You know what I mean? I'm rambling. Anyway, I'm gonna have Tanceuticals linked down below. Like I said, you guys should definitely check them out. Obviously, I would recommend. I just love the color that you turn with it. And yeah, I'm gonna go put on some clothes, and we are gonna keep going with this hectic day before Miami. I always leave myself like a million thousand things to do the day before I leave to go somewhere. So yeah, luckily Max already helped me actually and returned a bunch of textbooks that I rented for this semester, so that was really helpful. And yes, I gotta go switch my laundry now. Guys, Max's favorite place. He loves Lulu. La la la. Okay guys, I told Max I could picture him in a navy swimsuit, and so he's trying on a navy swimsuit. It looks so cute. We're going a size up though because he thinks it's squeezing his butt cheeks. How it is. We also have a big butt. Update, he got the swimsuit. Oh, and now we're at Urban. Guys, we were just walking along in this place, this woman was giving out free sandwiches because I guess his sandwich place down there is like opening soon. Is it good? Mm-hmm. Okay, like I'm excited for them to come now.
There's like ham, cheese, guac, tomato.
Guys, I just got my nails done and they look so freaking good. Kimmy's a pro. And look who showed up. What do you think of the nail salon?
I love it in here. Treasured hands is the best.
Bronze for my self-tanner. Hi.
What's on my face? Oh, just a pimple. Lucky me.
Guys, we found pearls, except because I just needed pearls. But these are too little and these are too big. But I think I'm just gonna go with the little ones. Can this focus, please? Hello. There, now you can see them. I don't know. Max, come here.
Pick on my nose.
Tell them what you just told me I smelled like.
Coconut. I wonder why.
I told them night tanner, so I was like,
hands, cuticles.
close enough. Okay, guys. What's that?
I'm in charge of cameras this trip.
Okay, I picked out my outfit for dinner for the first night. I guess it's like spoiler for every night, but like I don't really care. The lighting was also orange. My camera's on a weird setting. Anyway, this is my day one outfit.
Good.
Okay. Hi, cutie. You know what? I think I changed the settings on this for the better. Now I think it's like the color that you actually are in the room, and it's not like really orange. Like before it was looking like really orange. Anyway, Max is just showing you. He's bringing my big camera. Oh, it'll be safe. We'll keep an eye on it. So you guys, I've been like frantically packing, obviously. And this is pretty much everything. We're gonna go flip some laundry, and it's like 10, and I want to go to bed at like 8, but like obviously that wasn't gonna happen. Oh, also, did I show you when I went home? This is my dad's like favorite sweatshirt, and I brought it back, and it says lifeguard obviously, and I love it because it's literally like a dress on me. Like no sweatshirt has ever been like this long, so yeah, I'm loving this right now. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys what I was packing, and basically you saw that one outfit I tried on, and then I figured I wasn't gonna film everything else because you'll see it like in person. A bunch of new Fabletics stuff that I get to wear to Seoul there. I'm so excited for all this, and I'm gonna show when I'm there. My Lulu joggers, these are one of my faves, some aloe leggings, shorts, a Lulu's top, some gray bandit set. I brought like way too many clothes, obviously, but I couldn't narrow down. Lulu's tops, a bunch of Revolve, that's a gray bandit, Revolve is all of that. And then I brought some face masks, my vitamins, little nipple sticker things, a bunch of your face. A bunch of bathing suits, Summer Kulani, Revolve, Lulu's, yeah, a bunch of stuff in there. And then this side is just like crazy. I grabbed some, what are these called? Wedges that I got recently at Lulu's. These I got from Lulu's as well. They're like wedge type, but like flat type sandals. And then makeup, bunch of sunscreen, a bunch of like toiletry type stuff, 2 little bags I can use when I'm there, my SoulCycle shoes, and a bunch of clothes that didn't go over there. Then my hat that I got at Aritzia the other day, I'm so excited to wear. And yeah, all my plain outfits right there. And I think we have room to bring you.
Will I fit in the suitcase?
No, but you'll be my companion for the trip.
Yeah.
And I wanted to show you guys what my tan looked like. I can't speak. It's definitely been developing, so I'm gonna go rinse it off, show you what it looks like after I rinsed. Even though the lighting isn't the same because I filmed like during the day earlier, but there's only so much I can do, so that's what we're gonna do. I'm so tired. I feel like it's 3 a.m. But yes, I'm gonna show you what it looks like after I rinse, because I still haven't rinsed and it's like 10, so it has now been on for like 7 hours. Yes. Okay, thanks Max for filming this for me. This is the best lighting I could find because like I said, it's like nighttime, so I don't have like the light of like the sun anymore. But this is what it looks like after. I rinse it off and oh, my slippers. Yeah, it's like bronzy and stuff. I feel like it's less like, because you like rinsed off a layer, but yeah, now it's not gonna like get on anything. It's like set in stone. So this is what it looks like after. Okay, I just watched that footage through, and literally it's so exposed from the hall lights, so it looks like I'm not even that like.
The lighting looks better here. Yeah.
Like I'm tan. Yeah. I swear. But I just want to show you what it looks like after. So yes, that is all for my packing for Miami vlog, and we're gonna see you traveling there in the morning.
I can't wait.
Okay, love you guys.
Bye. Bye.